Hi, I'm Bill, and if this is the first time you've checked out our channel, welcome. Hopefully you'll take a look around, see some of the videos that we're doing. Our channel's about food, and right now we're highlighting a lot of videos around the Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven. We're having a blast with it. And if you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe bell, and share. And you can also follow us on Instagram and at 12th Avenue Cuisine, as well as on Facebook at 12th Avenue Cuisine. So the purpose of this video today, it's an additional information when it comes to Ooni Koda 16 heat management. Laurie and I cook a lot of things in that oven besides the pizzas. We have the Ooni dual-sided grizzler plate, and we have the Ooni cast iron skillet. We love both those devices. So I did a little bit of work to try to understand what is the temperature in our oven when we start to warm it up. So here's one chart. This chart represents temperatures from a cold start when I turn the oven on to high. And one thing you'll notice right away is it stops at 719. Our infrared thermometer, that's where it tops out at 719. And what I did was I captured temperature in 1 minute increments from the center logo. And then if you have the Ooni Koda 16, you know there's the hole in the front where you can put your finger in it to push the stone up if you want to take the stone out and flip it over. So that's the underneath front hole. And then I also captured the temperature at the front left corner as well as the right front corner as you're facing it. Now first, this is not super scientific. I should have done it multiple times and probably averaged things out and all that. But again, I initially did it just for our purposes because whenever we're cooking something, I always ask Laurie, what temperature you want me to put it on? And she goes, well, what temperature will it be at if we warm it up for 5 minutes and so on. And one quick note, when it comes to pizzas, our procedure is pretty much turn it on high for 20 minutes. And then when Laurie starts to press out a pizza, I'll turn it down to low. And it generally takes her about 3 minutes to build a pizza. But as you can see, this is kind of the ramp here. And if this information's of help to you, let me know. And I can put a link in the comments, or I can send you a link where you can get this document. The other setting that we charted is what we call low-low. And if you saw our Ooni Koda 16 heat management tips, you know then how to go below the Ooni low. So there's a settings that you could use below the Ooni low. And this is kind of what the temperature ramp looks like. We use the Ooni low-low settings. A lot of times we're warming up appetizers that maybe Laurie pre-made, and we want to use the time that we're warming up the oven to cook pizzas in to also warm something else, an appetizer, or maybe to put some asparagus in there to have some roasted asparagus. So this just kind of gives you an idea of what the temperature ramp is in our Ooni Koda 16. Again, there's probably a lot of variables, there's when the wind blows and everything else. But this chart has been helpful to me in trying to get the oven set correctly for Laurie. I mean, she's the chef. I'm the guy that kind of just turns the oven on and off and sets it to the proper heat setting, and I keep the cameras going. So anyway, if you think this information is helpful, let me know. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. And till next time.